Welcome to this tutorial. How to create a Facebook cover photo using your avatar. Today, we're diving into a fantastic new feature that Facebook has introduced. In this video, we'll show you how to use your Facebook avatar to create a truly unique cover photo for your profile. But here's the catch. If you don't have the Facebook app, you might not even be aware of this awesome possibility. So if you're ready to take your Facebook to the next level, then follow the steps as shown in this video. Log in on your Facebook app with your email and password. In the Facebook search box, type avatars and click on the avatars link as shown in this video. Select an avatar face from the list and select a hairstyle of your avatar. Select a face shape, eye shape, lashes, and lips color for your avatar. You can also select body, outfit, headwear, and ear piercings for your avatar. Once you select all, then tap on the Done button at the top right. Your avatar is ready to post. Tap on the Share button at the top right. Tap on the Create Post option from the bottom. You can select a pose of your avatar from the next screen. I am leaving it default. Tap on the Share to Newsfeed button at the bottom. Write a caption for your post and tap on the Post button at the top right. Go to your Facebook timeline and see your post with avatar has been posted. Scroll up to the Facebook cover and tap on the camera icon. Tap on the Select Photo on Facebook option. Tap on the Uploads tab. Here, you will find the image of your posted avatar. Tap on it. Tap on the Save button at the top right and see we have successfully changed the Facebook cover using avatar. Hope this was easy to follow. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.